Okay, so we are at the factory putting the base for the solar panels onto the outer spar, one of the three outer spars. It's going on the closest one here. We don't really have a number for them right now. The other one is going to be for a jacuzzi, or sorry, for what we call a Wazebo, which is a gazebo on the water, and then the other one at the third one at the back is going to be for the hot tub jacuzzi. So that went on really easy, really smooth. We spent the last couple days preparing it, protecting it from rust with a special zinc coating, and now we're just going to weld it in and get it situated, and then we can start putting the solar panels in place and start doing the electrical wiring. So yeah, all went really smooth. That was super easy. Some of the procedures here can be a little bit tricky, and some go really easy.